Welcome to the Certificate 2 in Construction Pathways for Bricklaying, Plastering, Tiling and Painting. Information presentation. Is this course for you? This course is designed as a pathway for a career in the construction industry. Attendance is important for skill development and course completion. Most classes are practical, hands-on training and physically demanding for each trade. Introducing today's hosts, Mark Ramsey, the Plastering Specialist, and Paul McKay, the Bricklaying Specialist. Course information. This qualification contains 10 units of competency to successfully complete. Full details can be found on the TASTAFE website. The delivery method includes a blended learning mixture of theory mixed with classroom, workshop-based assessment and training. Course units for bricklaying, plastering, tiling, painting. The core units include apply work health and safety requirements, policies and procedures in the construction industry, work effectively and sustainably in the construction industry, plan and organise work, carry out measurements and calculations, and undertake a basic construction project. The elective units include handle and prepare bricklaying and block laying materials, undertake a basic installation of wall ties, use painting and decorating tools and equipment, apply basic levelling procedures, and prepare to work safely in the construction industry. The following entry requirements apply to this Construction Pathways vocational preparation course. Comply with standard and approved TASTAFE entry requirements. Additionally, applicants will need to provide evidence of having literacy and numeracy skills at Year 10 or Australian Core Skills Framework Level 2. Certificate 2 in Construction Pathways vocational preparation requires evidence of completion of Year 10 English and Maths or successfully complete online BKSB quiz to the ACS F Level 2. Learning activities for bricklaying. Basic practical skills include mixing mortar, setting up of materials, levelling using different devices, laying of brick bonds using a spirit level and profiles, and jointing different finishes in brickwork. Learning activities for plastering. Basic practical skills include preparing for installing plaster sheet, setting up of materials, cutting plasterboard sheets to size, installing plasterboard, mixing compounds, base and top coat, including sanding, and make and install plaster air vents. Learning activities for tiling. Basic practical skills include selection of materials, levelling using different devices, preparation of substrates, setting out of basic wall tiles, the cutting and laying of wall tiles, grouting wall tiles. Learning activities for painting include basic practical skills of planning paint projects, setting up of materials, use of painting tools and equipment, preparation of plaster and timber surfaces, applying paint by brush and roller, and airless spray application. Industry and pathway opportunities include builders labourers, bricklayers labourers, bricklaying apprenticeship, wall and ceiling lining apprenticeship, tiling apprenticeship, and painting apprenticeship. Timetable information. Course commencement dates, Tuesday the 4th of August 2026, 3 days per week at the Clarence Campus F Block, running from Tuesday to Thursday from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. for 11 weeks. 2 weeks work experience after the 11 weeks for those that have a good attendance and wish to. Facilities at the Clarence campus include classroom for theory, practical workshops in plastering, bricklaying, tiling and painting, mortar mixing area, cafeteria and library. Course fees and associated costs. The tuition fees you pay at TASTAFE will depend on level of government subsidy available, any previous study you've undertaken and/or your personal circumstances. To get an estimate of fees, go to the course page on our website. Your tuition fees cover the basic materials needed for your course, but may not cover items such as textbooks, workbooks, uniform, online learning resources, or personal protective clothing. Depending on your course, there may also be other expenses that you need to budget for. Please visit the fees and payment section on our website for further information regarding fees, concession, payment options, and VET student loans. Student is required to supply the following: safety glasses, safety boots with steel toe cap, and old clothing due to mortar and plaster ruining over a period of time. The application process. Applications, dates and times will be announced shortly. Visit our website and go to the Apply and Enroll page to find out what you need to be ready to apply. You can also create your TasSafe student account in advance, which will save time when you apply for a course. If you already have a TasSafe student account, do you remember the password? If you don't, then we suggest you go and reset your password before applications open. After you have submitted your application, keep an eye on your emails as we will advise the outcome of your application or if we need further information from you. Foundation Skill Services. We all need and use these skills every day. If you need help, Foundation Skill Services can work with you in a group or provide individual tutoring. We can do this on campus or online. We're here to help you succeed in your training. Just speak with your teacher or call 1300 655 307. Student support. If you need assistance or support during your time at TasTAFE, please don't hesitate to seek advice from our support team. We have student counsellors, disability liaison officers and Aboriginal support officers based in each region. Our support team offer a range of student services including advice about financial assistance, counselling, disability support and pathway planning. Call 1300 655 307 to make an appointment or visit the student support section on our website. Thank you for joining us today. If you have more questions, send them to paul.mckay@tafe.tas.edu.au or mark.ransley@tafe.tas.edu.au. That concludes our formal presentation. Now let's answer your questions.